What's up, guys? It's Kamal Crescent here. Welcome back to. That was a cool jump, though.
Super Mario Odyssey.
I'm gonna get you to the next spot where we.
It must be hard to play like that.
Oh, kinda, but. So now we're on the Luncheon Kingdom. We have Kamal here today. So Bowser wants to make a toast using the sparkle water. Sounds like this wedding preparations are moving along. So yeah, we got time to kill. Let's review some useful skills.
Travel to triple jump. When you are running and want to jump extra high, jump 3 times with good timing. This is my first time playing this on camera.
Yeah. So we have to figure Oh, the Broodals are after some cooking.
Okay, so I need to get used to the controls here.
Yeah, you can test it out a little bit. This is a... So, yeah, that's how
Oh my gosh!
Oh, you throw it? Oh, there you go. Now you got him.
So dumb!
Oh, yeah! Oh, there you go. I'm guessing there's like a... There might be a Goomba girl.
Please! I didn't mean to press that!
Ooh, can you
How
catch
do you
some tomatoes?
attack them instead of just going inside them?
You can jump on them. Whoa! Oh, it's hot. They melt into hot lava. Corn on the cob.
You're just gonna kill me, my favorite food?
Oh, that's where she is. So the trick to it is you gotta bring all those Goombas to her, and they gotta see you, or she's gotta see you on top.
What's the... Oh! Whoa! What's the Mario woman who teleports?
Yes.
At the speed of sound.
Kicking those. Oh!
Are you used to this? I'm getting.
Taken out by a green bean. Oh, there you go. Oh, you took the guy on the top.
Yeah, see? I'm getting kind of used to this game. Oh, I can kick those eyes like Goomba. I just want to go to the lady, okay? Let me marry a girl.
Oh, she can see you, but you're not tall enough. You need like 2 more.
Oh my gosh.
There it is. There you go.
Ooh, that's
Nice.
awesome. That's so cool. I'm a fireball.
Yeah, a living, breathing fireball.
Oh, I just got a pass.
Mario has just become one with his special ability.
Oh
What?
no, not these fast.
Already? That was a fast boss.
Bruh. He's so ugly, he makes onions cry. What am I supposed to do? Possess him with my hat?
Yeah, you gotta smack his hat off and then jump on his head. You can get rid of the poison with your hat. Oh, there you go. Now you can jump on him.
You're so fat that I can't even hurt you.
Hey.
Try to do the spinny jump to get on his head. There you go. Oh, he's gonna spin.
No! Oh no! There's no choice but to do that. I'm sorry, I have to kill you.
Oh no! Oh, yeah, in the last second.
Ooh, look at that power move. Okay.
There you go. Bum 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 bum. Ba ba ba. Ooh, some cooking.
The Brothers are after some cooking. Ooh, a bridge. So I can just roll on top of the bridge.
Ooh,
What is that?
Is that a under the cheese rocks? The Mario universe itself is very interesting. Whenever you can't figure out what to do, use your hat. Or you can do it that way. What is that?
This game is too weird.
What the? Bird up there showed out of nowhere and took over our stew pot. Just when we're making more of our special stupendous stew.
Took a while.
Oh. That was a cool jump though.
Oh yeah.
Look at Mario's face. Frying pans? Oh, they're not hammer bros anymore. They're frying pan bros.
Let me be you. I want to be.
Break the cheese.
Here, we'll take these off.
Yep, that's how you go super fast. He has so many frying pans. Get that
Bro,
guy.
what do you want?
He wants to spike you. When all else fails, smack him with a frying pan. Yep, just go like that. Oh! Oh, that works.
Can I beat these guys?
No, he's got a thing on his head. He's protected.
You look like a nerd. He's still falling! Turn the volume up on that when you edit the video.
Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh, no!
Please, please! I thought I could get all the way to the logs. I don't like this level. I want to be the dinosaur.
You want me to finish this so we can go to the dinosaur level?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's an enemy right there. You can jump on top of your hat?
Yep. Take this! Take this!
Cheese!
Get the cheese!
Dad,
Hmm?
I have a joke. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
P.
P who?
P-U!
Oh, I found the button!
Oh.
What's this button do? Oh!
Use the hammer guy to get there before he disappears.
Yep, we'll do that.
I like that guy.
Yeah, these guys are pretty cool.
And cute.
Oh!
That was a
mean to do
waste
that.
of fireballs, you meanie.
Oops! I didn't mean to do that!
Yes, you did. We all saw it.
So I'm a fireball murderer now.
Yeah. Do it, do it, do it.
Got it!
Yeah.
Ooh, checkpoint. Oh, it's a hat door. We're gonna hat the door.
Now, what if we just saw a glitch in here, and then the fireball face just turned really weird? That's what I'm...
Oh,
Okay,
now
I
it
thought
lets
you
me.
almost fell.
Woo!
That was so close.
Yep. Okay, I'll get out of the water now. There we go. Oh wait, I want those things. Okay.
So I could have just done that the whole time.
Yeah, I was trying to tell you. I don't think you can hear me with the headphones on. What is this? Whoa!
What is...
What the? What am I? The bird's looking at me. Am I a giant slab of meat? Oh my goodness.
Oh no.
Oh.
That thing even being close to me.
Wow, that thing is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Ooh!
Oh, it's a hobby.
Oh, this is the hot stuff.
This is the very hot stuff. It's white.
Ooh!
What if you go
Oh,
in
he
there
ran in.
once and it kills you instantly?
It almost did.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna go take it slow. No sudden movements, just nice and easy. No more cool Mario flips or anything like that. Oh, don't slip on the corn. Be easy on the corn. Oh wow, I got the 3-star? I didn't even have to kill the bird?
I thought that was gonna be like a boss.
Yeah, I thought I had to fight the bird to get this.
Yeah, but turned out she just grabbed me and she was like, "Ooh, some meat. Let me just add this to my stew." I would have done that too if I just saw slabbing meat.
Oh, the bird's mad now. I think I got it.
Oh, now you gotta fight her.
Uh-oh. She's trying to blow me down. Oh, I'm not trying to talk to him. I'm trying to get the thingy. I wanted to smash it, not talk to him. Oh! Ooh, fireball, bro. Yeah.
Yeah. I like being the fireball more than the fire guy.
Ooh, this looks like a cannon. Whoa! It's like kaboomy! Oops. That's what I get for being greedy. Give me a heart. Oh!
Ow! What was that?
It's free real estate. I think I gotta jump on this thing.
That's not too far.
Oh, I did it!
At least you added fire. How does that make sense? You add fire to fire.
Yep, and then it didn't burn me for some reason. Thought I would have been burning. Climb up the cascade magma. How dare you eat my hat! I'd kick you! I'd kick you in the face!
What?
Woo!
Dad,
Up we go!
this one I was talking about Simon
Yeah.
and Richter.
It's kind of Richter? Yeah. They're both from
Richter.
Castlevania. Full health! Let's go!
Ah!
Yeah, turn over so I can... There we go. That's what I want. Oh, no! I'm sorry, Mario. I goofed that one. Alright, checkpoint! Whew. What's up here? Oh, is it time? Is it time to take out this bed? Oh, everything's cooking. Oh my goodness. You look like you have no brain, Mr. Chicken. What are you doing? Spitting fruits and veggies at me? About to burn your butt?
Gross.
Oh! I'll swim. Oh yeah, I'll swim up there. Oh, you think this is cool? You think you can do that to me? Oh! Come here. Oh, burn you in the butt. Oh, I see what you're doing now. This is interesting. I like this concept. You didn't think I would be able to figure that out? Come on now. Alright guys, that's it for this round of Mario Odyssey. Join us again in the next kingdom. Kevlar Crescent signing out. See ya.